Top 10 Luxury Knife Sets for Professional Kitchens, 2025. In the high-stakes world of professional cooking, your tools aren't just accessories. They're extensions of your skill, your timing, and your precision. And when it comes to knives, serious chefs know the difference between average and extraordinary. In 2025, the market for premium kitchen knives has reached a new peak, offering sets that combine centuries-old craftsmanship with modern innovation, aesthetics, and absolute performance. Whether you're a Michelin-starred chef, a private culinary consultant, or a high-end home cook building a dream kitchen, having a top-tier knife set isn't just about luxury. It's about efficiency, durability, and pride in your craft. In this guide, we're slicing deep into the top 10 luxury knife sets for professional kitchens in 2025, each selected for its elite materials, exquisite design, and reputation among industry pros. Number 10. Wüsthof Classic Ikon 7-Piece Knife Block Set. German precision refined. The Wüsthof Classic Ikon 7-Piece Knife Block Set is a marvel of German craftsmanship designed for discerning professionals who value both form and function. Known for its seamless fusion of tradition and innovation, this luxury set is a statement of culinary sophistication, perfectly aligning with 2025 standards for performance and prestige. Why its luxury level lies in its premium craftsmanship. Each blade is forged from a single piece of high-carbon stainless steel, precisely tempered to a Rockwell hardness of 58-60 HRC. This steel density allows for an incredibly sharp, long-lasting edge, ideal for fine slicing, mincing, and dicing. The blades are hand-polished, giving them a mirror finish and ensuring minimal drag through ingredients. The standout of the set is the elegant German olive-wood-inspired forged triple-riveted handle, which is ergonomically contoured to fit comfortably in hand. It offers excellent balance and weight distribution, a critical feature for chefs performing repetitive motions during long service runs. This selection covers everything from delicate prep work to heavy-duty tasks, ready for any professional kitchen challenge. The hardwood block is fitted with handy slots for each piece, including the honing steel and scissors, keeping your workspace tidy and safe. The block also maintains optimal blade contact and airflow to help preserve sharpness. On Amazon, this set retails for around $799, positioning it as a top-tier investment in kitchen excellence. That premium price reflects a lifetime of professional use. The knives are backed by Wüsthof's limited lifetime warranty and free sharpening services, a nod to their confidence in durability and craftsmanship. Number 9. Shun Premier 8-Piece Chef's Knife Set. Japanese elegance meets professional power. The Shun Premier 8-Piece Knife Set is a masterclass in refined Japanese craftsmanship. Known for its razor-sharp VG-MAX steel core and 68 layers of Damascus cladding, this set is as much a work of art as it is a professional toolset, designed for chefs who require precision and appreciate aesthetic beauty. Shun's Premier Series is a top-tier favorite in luxury kitchens. Each blade features a hand-hammered suchun finish, which not only adds elegance but also helps reduce drag and prevent food from sticking. The ultra-sharp VG-MAX steel ensures outstanding edge retention and corrosion resistance, making these knives ideal for high-paced kitchens. The walnut-colored Paka wood handles are both moisture-resistant and ergonomic, providing superior comfort during prolonged use. Combined with Shun's commitment to handcrafting in Seki City, Japan, one of the world's most respected cutlery regions, you're looking at a set designed to last decades. Retailing for around $1,000, this Shun Premier set is an investment in culinary excellence. It's particularly suited for chefs who work with delicate proteins or require surgical precision for presentation-focused dishes. When performance and appearance matter equally, this set earns its place among the elite. Number 8. Miyabi Black 5000 MCD 67 7-Piece Knife Block Set, the Samurai's Choice. If you're seeking peak luxury and precision, the Miyabi Black 5000 MCD 67 7-Piece set is a true standout. This handcrafted Japanese set features a core of SG2 microcarbide powder steel surrounded by 132 layers of Damascus steel, giving it both aesthetic appeal and unmatched sharpness. The blades are Cryogere ice hardened to a Rockwell hardness of 6-6, meaning you'll be using knives that retain sharpness significantly longer than standard blades. Each knife is finished with a traditional Hanbazuke edge, offering a scalpel-like slice, ideal for sushi chefs or professionals who handle high-end ingredients like Wagyu or Toro. The D-shaped handles are made from elegant black ash wood, designed for maximum grip and comfort during intensive prep work. This is luxury that respects tradition, fusing centuries-old samurai blade, making with modern technology. At around $1,400, it's one of the most expensive sets on the market, but also one of the most revered. If you're running a fine dining kitchen or looking for a showpiece knife set that actually performs, the Miyabi Black earns its price tag. Number 7. Global Takashi 10-piece knife block set, sleek, modern, and razor-sharp. The Global Takashi 10-piece knife block set brings a futuristic feel to traditional culinary precision. Made in Japan, these knives are famous for their hollow stainless steel handles, perfectly balanced for precision cuts and completely seamless for superior hygiene. Each knife is forged from Kramer 18 stainless steel, developed exclusively by Global, known for edge retention, stain resistance, and easy maintenance. The sand-filled handle ensures balance, and the unique dotted texture provides a firm, non-slip grip, even when wet. This set is ideal for professional chefs who value hygiene, modern aesthetics, and razor-sharp performance. The design is minimalist, industrial, and built for efficiency, ideal for high-end commercial kitchens. At about $1,100, it's a high-end option with both function and modern flair. For professionals who want something distinct from traditional wooden handle knives, Global Takashi delivers a sleek, surgical edge. Number 6. Zwilling Kramer Euroling Damascus 7-piece knife set. The fusion of German strength and Japanese artistry. When two powerhouses, Zwilling and legendary bladesmith Bob Kramer, collaborate, the result is nothing short of extraordinary. The Zwilling Kramer Euroling Damascus 7-piece set is one of the most exclusive luxury knife collections in the professional world, admired for its blend of Western weight and Japanese precision. What sets these knives apart is the core of SG2 Super Steel, surrounded by 101 layers of Damascus cladding. Each blade features a unique Damascus wave pattern and is ice-hardened to 63 Rockwell, offering extreme edge retention. You're not just buying a sharp knife, you're investing in a blade that holds its edge through rigorous prep sessions day after day. The handles are hand-finished from beautiful granite wood, African blackwood, ergonomically designed to offer a luxurious grip with long-term durability. Every knife is handcrafted in Seki, Japan, where centuries of sword-making craftsmanship have been refined into modern culinary tools. This set is aesthetically breathtaking and functionally impeccable. The balance, blade geometry, and shear cutting performance are tailored for professionals who need precision and endurance in equal measure. Retailing at approximately $2,400, this set is a major investment, and for good reason. Chefs who prepare delicate proteins, work in Michelin-level environments, or simply demand the best will find unmatched value here. Number 5. Dalstrong Shadow Black Series 12-piece block set, tactical power, futuristic design. For chefs who prefer bold design and high-performance tools, the Dalstrong Shadow Black Series 12-piece set stands out as a modern luxury marvel. Inspired by stealth technology and tactical aesthetics, this set marries military-grade styling with professional-grade steel. Constructed from high-carbon German Thyssen-Krupp steel, these blades are precision-forged and finished with a titanium nitride coating. This coating enhances corrosion resistance and provides that jet black, non-reflective, stealthy appearance. Each knife is honed to 16-18 degrees per side, perfect for clean cuts across meat, vegetables, and seafood. The fiber resin military-grade G10 handles are ergonomically shaped for comfort and precision, even during extended prep work. The knives are highly balanced and feel agile in the hand, ideal for chefs who prefer performance over tradition. This set isn't just about style, it's made to withstand commercial kitchen abuse without sacrificing edge retention or performance. It's heat and moisture resistant, incredibly durable, and backed by Dalstrong's lifetime warranty and satisfaction guarantee. Available on Amazon for approximately $950, it delivers incredible value for its bold aesthetic, quality, craftsmanship, and utility in a professional setting. It's ideal for chefs who want to make a visual statement while maintaining culinary efficiency. Number 4. MAC MTH 80 Professional 8-piece Knife Set. Japanese engineering at its sharpest. The MAC MTH 80 8-piece professional set is known in chef circles as one of the sharpest and lightest knife sets in the world. Renowned for their surgical edges and unbeatable balance, MAC knives have become a staple in top restaurants and culinary schools globally. Made from high-carbon chrome molybdenum vanadium steel, the blades are ground with a thin razor-like edge that slices through ingredients with minimal resistance. The packwood handles offer classic Japanese-styled shape for ultimate control. Where MAC truly excels is in its edge geometry, super thin yet incredibly durable, allowing chefs to work with delicate proteins and ultra-thin garnishes with surgical precision. These knives are not bulky, they're engineered for refined, effortless cutting. The MAC MTH 80 series has been praised by celebrity chefs like Thomas Keller and Charlie Trotter for its precision and reliability. This 8-piece setup is ideal for professionals who prize edge sharpness and finesse over brute force. At around $1,200, it's not the most expensive on the list, but its performance ranks near the top. If you want lightweight Japanese blades with professional bite and long-term reliability, this set will feel like an extension of your hand. Number 3. TOG Elite 6-piece Japanese knife set. Artisan craftsmanship meets elite performance. The TOG Elite 6-piece knives set is a relatively rare gem in the high-end culinary world, crafted in Seki City, Japan, and praised for its meticulous attention to detail, ultra-premium materials, and visual elegance. Each knife in this set is a fusion of Japanese steel technology and Western knife ergonomics, designed specifically for professionals who want function with artistry. What makes TOG knives exceptional is their use of 13 alternating layers of Japanese steel with a central VG-10 steel core that is sandwiched between softer layers for flexibility and impact resistance. These knives are incredibly sharp yet durable, and their suchime hammered finish reduces drag and food sticking, ideal for fast-paced prep work. The handles are constructed using bamboo composite, which is water-resistant, lightweight, and sustainable, but still incredibly durable. The overall weight and feel of these knives make them agile and responsive, especially for intricate cuts and decorative plating. Each knife takes over 6 hours to produce and is sharpened to a 15-degree double bevel, giving chefs superior cutting control. These are not mass-produced items, they're more akin to precision tools or collectibles, tailored for elite kitchens. Retailing for around $1,800, TOG knives are not just rare but also limited in production, making them both a performance choice and a collector's item. TOG mission is rooted in slow craftsmanship, perfect for chefs who value sustainability, artistry, and elite Japanese engineering. If you want knives that combine beauty, sustainability, and professional-grade precision, this TOG Elite set is among the best luxury knife investments in 2025. Number 2. Knosuk HD 2 9-piece Custom Set. The cult favorite of pro chefs, the Knosuk HD2 Custom 9-piece knife has developed something of a cult following among professional chefs, especially in the fine dining and omakase worlds. Hand-forged in Sakai, Japan, this set is centered around the ultra-refined HD2 semi-stainless steel, known for its scalpel-like sharpness and whisper-thin slicing ability. The HD2 steel is praised for maintaining the slicing finesse of carbon steel while offering better rust resistance, ideal for chefs who want low-maintenance blades without sacrificing edge performance. Each knife is sharpened by Knosuk's master sharpeners using a multi-step hand-honing process that results in razor-thin geometry. The handle material options range from premium ebony and desert ironwood to stabilized maple burl, with custom pins and finishes. This means no two sets are the same, each one is hand-assembled to order and finished to the user's preferences. Unlike mass-market brands, Knosuk knives are artisan tools designed for chefs who understand the difference between a machine-sharpened knife and a hand-honed blade. These are especially favored for delicate knife work, sashimi, garnishing, and hot cuisine presentations where blade control must be absolute. With prices starting around $3,000 and easily climbing depending on customization, this is a collector-level knife set made for chefs at the pinnacle of their craft. Each knife is stored in a handcrafted saya sheath, often engraved or laser-etched. If your goal is to own what top omakase chefs in Tokyo or Michelin chefs in New York use, Knosuk delivers unmatched sharpness, feel, and artisan quality. Number 1. Florentine Kitchen Knives 10-piece Custom Set, the ultimate in luxury and design. At the summit of our list is the Florentine Kitchen Knives 10-piece Custom Set, an embodiment of culinary design perfection. Handmade in Barcelona, Spain, these knives are not just cooking tools, they're functional artwork often used by world-renowned chefs like Massimo Bottura and Alex Atala. What sets Florentine apart is its bespoke nature. Every knife is built to order with options to customize blade lengths, handle patterns, materials, and even engraving. The knives blend Swedish Sandvik 14 C28N stainless steel with one-of-a-kind handcrafted stacked handles made from micarta, wood, G10, and other rare materials. Each blade is cryo-treated for maximum hardness and sharpened to a laser edge, offering exceptional performance across all prep styles. Yet the standout is design, these knives are highly Instagrammable, conversation starters in any open kitchen or fine dining space. Florentine's build quality and presentation make it ideal not only for use but also as a centerpiece of the chef's identity. The ergonomic handles are tailored for grip comfort and weight balance. Every knife feels like an extension of your hand. Retailing from $4,000 to $6,000, this is by far the most exclusive set on our list. It's luxury redefined. Not just expensive for the sake of status, but handmade, globally admired, and tailored to perfection. In 2025, if you want the most luxurious, most admired, and most personalized knife set on the planet, the Florentine 10-piece custom set is the undisputed champion. There you have it, The top 10 luxury knife sets of 2025, each one engineered not just for slicing and dicing, but for commanding respect in the kitchen. These aren't just utensils, they are tools of precision, extensions of discipline, and in many cases, true pieces of art. Whether you favor the surgical sharpness of a Knosuk or the modern design power of Florentine, investing in any of these sets is a declaration. You take your craft seriously. Beyond the aesthetics and craftsmanship, these knives bring you closer to mastery. They save time, reduce strain, elevate your plating game, and most importantly, deliver consistent, clean results dish after dish, night after night. So if you're ready to upgrade from standard steel to elite steel, from mass market to master forged, now is the time. Your next signature dish deserves tools that rise to the occasion.